Now what if you could spend just 10 minutes and give any vehicle a brilliant showroom shine lasting 6 months minimum?
And what if you could make your ride look better than new without ever having to wax any surface of your vehicle
Ever again? That'd be pretty amazing, right? Well, there's a brand new technology that's making this miracle possible.
and it's all based on the latest breakthroughs by some of the top scientists in the automotive industry.
Hey, this is Chad here from The Last Coat. I want you to take a look at this photo. And what you're looking at is the metal surface of a car, but magnified thousands of times using an electron microscope. Now, if you've never seen this photo, you'd never know that all those valleys act like a magnet, attracting dust, dirt, and grime to adhere to your car's finish, robbing your vehicle of its shine. Now, usually, people use soaps and chemicals to get that dirt out of those valleys and off your car, motorcycle, or RV. Now, unfortunately, those chemicals break down the top coat of your vehicle, which makes those valleys even bigger. Now look at how they attract even more dirt, dust, and grime, making your cars shine even more difficult to maintain. So then, what people have done is apply wax or other sealants, or have the local car wash spray it on. Now the problem is, these wax coats, they don't last very long because soap simply wash the wax off. But worse, applying these typical waxes can give your car swirls. And once your car has swirls, they're almost impossible to get rid of unless you pay a professional hundreds, if not thousands, to get rid of them. Now let me show you the science behind why it's so hard to maintain your vehicle's showroom shine. You see, the typical wax particle is around 10 micrometers in size. Now while they may help fill in those valleys and gaps trying to keep the dirt out, it doesn't really do a great job because the particles are so big. Now look at how the particles don't really do the trick. After all, this is old and obsolete technology dating back from the early 1900s. Now what's more, other car waxes and sealant formulas don't have a very strong chemical bond, which means they break down very easily, and makes maintaining a showroom shine on your vehicle almost impossible without spending tons of time and money. The Last Coat is different.
Inspired by the latest breakthroughs in nanoceramic technology,
Our proprietary formula is made up of patented ingredients in a microemulsion formula with nanoparticles up to 1/10,000th the size of other waxes and sealants. Look at how our patented ingredients fill in those gaps with thousands and thousands of nanoparticles bonded together by the strongest ceramic bond available. This chemical bond then creates a positive charge on your vehicle's exterior, which means it magnetically repels dust, dirt, and grime,
and gives your vehicle a brilliant showroom shine that lasts for months.
Traditional waxes and sealants just can't do this. You gotta love science.
We like to kid around and call it quantum mesh technology. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, I know. But I'll prove to you in just a minute how much of a protective barrier our new formula can give to your car's finish,
making it impossible for dirt, dust, and grime to ever get into the gaps and valleys. Dirt just sits on top, which means your car, motorcycle, or RV maintains its showroom shine for 6 months minimum. Now get this, the mesh is so tight and the chemical bond is so strong that it not only keeps dirt, dust, and grime out, it also keeps other chemicals out, including soaps, cleansers, and even degreasers that quickly break down other waxes and sealants. This means your car can be showroom shiny for months and months, not weeks or days, even if you wash it.
A few months back, our chemist gave Nick and I a prototype of this new formula, and we put it on all of our cars. And it's lasted 6 months so far.
It hasn't worn off or washed off. It's completely crazy how powerful this stuff is. And it's pretty obvious that we're pretty terrible businessmen if we made a ceramic-based car coating so bomb-proof that it lasts 6 months and can be applied by just about anyone. We were so impressed, we wanted to see just how tough and durable this stuff is. So we subjected it to a true torture test, comparing it to other waxes and modern coatings. And watch how the Last Coat held its brilliant showroom shine and hydrophobic properties. Even when we hit it with Dawn dish soap, degreaser, tire cleaners, bug and tar removers, and even an acid-based water spot remover, all in succession. And it came through with flying colors, no breakdown whatsoever. You can see the full torture test video lower down on this page that you're on right now. But without quantum mesh technology, the other products, well, they simply couldn't compete. Now the Last Coat's mesh technology is so tight and the bond is so strong, you can run it through a car wash over and over and the harsh chemicals can't break this stuff down. Your showroom shine simply lasts and lasts and lasts. Now other waxes and coatings, well, they just give up after one trip through the car wash, and you've probably seen that. Now, what's crazy about this new patented formula is that you can use it on any surface. Glass, plastic, chrome, leather seats, wood, vinyl, matte surfaces, denim paint, anything. It makes every surface of your entire vehicle practically bulletproof. We even had a customer tell us that a spider couldn't crawl up his Harley's windshield because it was so slick and slippery. He said, "This stuff is tougher than Spider-Man." So we then released this new formula to a select group of pro detailers and car dealerships, and it immediately became their one secret weapon. Now, who wouldn't want to do less work and have your car look showroom new day after day, no matter what you throw at it? Which is how Nick and I knew it was time to take our new formula to the streets. That's why we've created a special offer only available right here. You'll see on our website that our suggested retail price for one 16-ounce bottle is $59.95, which is a steal. But today, you're not going to pay anywhere near that. So you're not going to need to keep buying and applying wax or other sealants for your car. You're not going to need to pay a professional hundreds of dollars to give your car that showroom shine. And you won't need separate interior cleaners, wheel cleaners, fabric sealants, glass coatings, or any of that other stuff. The last coat will replace anything and everything you'd ever want to use on any surface of your car, inside and out. Just one bottle will put hundreds, if not thousands of dollars back into your pocket. There really is no reason to buy or use obsolete technology and apply it to your expensive vehicle. Plus, you're going to save yourself countless of hours trying to keep your car looking amazing. We figured you've got better things to do with your money and time. And all you need is the last coat, a couple microfiber towels, and 10 minutes. And you'll have 6 months of showroom shine to look forward to. So we decided to create a limited time special kit to get you up and rolling as fast as possible. You see, this kit, it typically sells for $89.95, and it includes everything you see right here. You get the 16-ounce bottle with a regular price of $59. You get a 4-ounce travel size bottle for your glove box or your saddlebags. It's worth $19 by itself. Plus, we're going to be throwing in 2 high-quality 400 GSM microfiber towels that retail for about $5 each. Now, like I said, this entire bundle typically costs $89.95, but when you order today, it's not going to cost you $89, $79, or even $69. All you're going to pay is the one low price you see at the bottom of this page right now. Now, I've got to mention that there's only one special lab here in San Diego capable of blending the patented nanoparticle ingredients in this formula, which means demand often outpaces supply by a lot. So fair warning, this offer is only valid for stock on hand. So if you want a 6-month showroom shine for your vehicle, you're going to want to order today. And you'll also be glad to know that your purchase is protected by our unprecedented, unmatched 365-day last coat guarantee. If you don't agree that this is the last coat your vehicle will ever need, simply ask for your money back. We'll refund you 100%, no questions asked. We've got thousands of 5-star reviews confirming that it truly lives up to its name. This is the last coat you'll ever need for your car or motorcycle or RV, boat or plane or anything. Click the button at the bottom of this page right now to get the last coat plus your free gifts today.